ColourPop Blush Baby. This is a 9-pan press powder palette by ColourPop, and you can find this at Target. Before we dip into this bad girl, we're gonna go see some swatches. First, I want to try the shade Koi for my crease. This looks like a very light peachy pink shade. I love the warmth of this. Wow, that translated pretty pink against my skin tone. This is like a super baby pink. Now I want to try You Promise right here. And I'm gonna try this in the middle of my crease. Wow, this is so cute. I love these colors. This is definitely more coral than the first one. You can definitely see like a little bit of warmth in there, the peachiness of it. Next, we are using the shade Come Hither, outer third of my crease. Okay, I have to admit that these shadows in this one is very pigmented. My golly gosh golly. I want to check out Pinky Swear right here. I'm gonna apply the shade on the lower lash line. I do see like a little like eggplanty type of brown here. It's definitely pink, a pink brown. Now we are going to just crush in here. Let's try it on the outer part right here. Ooh. Oh my goodness, this is super pigmented. Oh lordy, look at that. I hope you guys can see what I'm talking about here. See, you can see the gold shimmers or glitter, whatever. Now I want to use the shade Current Affair. Wow, this shade looks like a really pretty rose gold type of shimmer. All right, so that's a brush application. Now I'm going to use my finger. Definitely looks a lot better with the finger, so I am going to apply that here as well. I feel like everything just looks better with finger. Warm it up and let it melt onto my lid. I'm gonna try the shade Swoon right here. All right, I'm gonna apply that in the inner corner of my lid. So I am bringing the leftover of that to here, just kind of like maybe 1/3, just to have this beautiful gradient of shimmers. I'm gonna use Date Night right here. Use it here to just blend a little bit more. That probably helps tone down the pinkness here, because I didn't really think it was gonna be that pink. Oh gosh, this is so gorgeous. Finally, right here, we are gonna use My. For the shade My. This is straight up white. I'm gonna apply this right here in the inner corner. Dang, design. Just look at this and this. I'm also applying that on my brow bone. Now we're gonna move on to the eyeliner. So over here I have 3 different eyeliners I want to test out because I've never used any of ColourPop's eyeliners. This one is the gel eyeliner and this one is the liquid eyeliner. I have this in the white and black. I've never used a white liquid eyeliner before, but I will try this. I may just apply this in the first inner half. So that is how that looks like. That was, dang, this is like high-end quality, I swear. That was awesome. All right, next one. All right, now we are moving on to the black. Okay, BRB. I gotta admit, this looks pretty cool. But dang girl, look at that white with the black. All right, now I wanna check out the gel liner. This is the nude one. This is in the shade Honeydude. And I'm gonna apply that on my waterline right here. I usually don't do that because I actually really kind of like weary about that because I don't know if I'm gonna get reactive. But let's try. I'm gonna do it. Okay, now this is the comparison between the done and the undone. It definitely opened up my eyes. Like it looks like it's, wow. I'm pretty impressed. I don't know how the wear time on this is. I kind of want to check back in with you guys later just to see how all of this just wears. Typically the gel liner, I'm very, very interested about this one. All right, the mascara I'm gonna use is this BFF mascara and it's real, you guys. It is the color of the tube. It's red. I don't know if this is dried out or what. Let's try again. Ew, it looks dried out. Now let's try again. Now it looks red. Okay, this I'm not too much a fan of because it seems really, really dry, but I don't know, maybe it can be built up. 4th try. Like I see the red on my eyelashes, but it's just, if it looks very crumbly and kind of dry. I don't know if I got a bad one or what, but that is how it looks like. I don't think I like it. It looks kind of weird with this eye look, but I'm gonna try to, yeah, this is really dry. Maybe this would be cute like without an eyeliner so it doesn't make it look, you know, like darken and light and darken and light. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the Act Natural mascara. So I'm just gonna go over that on top of the red one. Okay, yeah, I love this much better. Much better. Okay, this is how the mascara looks like. I sure hope this will, you know, last well and wears well and doesn't give me raccoon eyes. Okay, so now I'm moving on into the blush. I want to try the Birthday Suit shade. It looks definitely like my eye look today. I'm gonna apply that with my brush here. Is this too light for me? I don't see anything. So with this blushes, are you supposed to apply with your hand and then spread it around? Let's see. Okay, now I can see a little bit. It's taking a while for it to show up on my skin tone. Maybe this is just too light for me. It's too cool toned to my liking and it's a little bit light. I'm gonna mix that shade with the Cheerio. This looks scary. Yeah, so that one is way more pigmented. I still don't think I like the shade. It's a bit much. Brush that out. Now I'm moving on to the highlighter. This is the shade of a highlighter that I would usually pick. This is in the shade Lunch Money. And I'm gonna use this fan brush right here. Now we are moving on to the lips. I'm so excited because I really want to try these. I have not tried these Lippie pencils yet. But first I'm gonna use this lip liner. This is called Good and Plenty. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, I love pinks like this. It's not too pink, but it's pink enough. Okay, now onto the Lippie sticks. This is in the shade Parker. This is like a neutral shade right here. Oh, ooh, that smells really good. Wow. Okay, I am surprised by this Lippie sticks. This is... How much is this again? How much is this? This is pretty. Parker, you pretty. I was planning on to try this too, but it looks like it's really dark, and I do have a swatch of all the stuff that you saw here today. And if you want to see more, you can check out this video right here. This is all the ColourPop that I received lately. And yes, this is gifted by ColourPop, but this is not sponsored, you guys. And I will tell you of all the things that I approve, and also I will tell you the ones that is easily passable for me. There is the lip gloss right here. This is just super clear. I have another one which is like a nude shade, but yeah, I've been wearing that a lot. This is so nice. It feels so good on the lips. Ooh, look at that gloss. Ooh, look at that shine. Okay, we are finished. We are done. And this is the result. Okay, so let's just start on the items that I do recommend. So of course, the Blush Baby is definitely... top notch. I recommend this so much, you guys. So the next one that I recommend is the liquid eyeliner. This is so amazing. I definitely will repurchase this. This is such a good quality and it is affordable. There's no point in buying like $20 something. These are just as good. This gel one I do recommend as well, but it depends on your eyes. If you are very watery and you rub your eyes, I don't know if it will last, but it looks like with me it looks fine so far. It's been like a couple hours. Usually whenever I wear like liners on the waterline, it will disappear like within 20 minutes. Okay, right now it is almost 2 o'clock. It's 1:47. And I just wanted to show you about this cream gel eyeliner, you guys. It is still there. Look at that. It hasn't budged. It's crazy. This Lippie sticks is amazing. Like all of these 3 items, I just recommend. These are really good. The lip liners are so pigmented. It glides on very creamy. And this Lippie sticks, okay, so now we are moving on to the things that I just kind of... I do think the mascara is good, and for the price it is good, but it looks a little bit too clumpy to my liking. I don't like my eyelashes looking like that. And this highlighter is good. I think it's just okay for me. I would wear it again because I have it. But to me, I just think it's... I don't know, like I don't know. Maybe I should try to apply it with my hands just to see how the voom it would look like, because with the brush, not really. So okay, fine. I guess with these Super Shock thing, it just looks more with my finger than a brush. So okay, you know what? I changed my mind. I changed my mind. Okay, you won me over, ColourPop. I do recommend this as well, but with the finger, with the brush or anything like that, it just doesn't work. Or at least for me, it doesn't work. I like this though. This is a huge no for me. I think if it was more liquidy, you know, for it to spread easier on the eyes. I don't know if I got a bad one, but this was just so dry. It literally had like clumps when I opened it. Literally had solid things of red, and I've seen it online and it looks gorgeous, like the pastel colors and stuff like that. But yeah, I think I did get a dud. So the last thing that I didn't really like was the blush. I prefer, you know, I don't know, I think it's just the color. Like this one barely showed up on my skin. I tried it like 3 or 4 times for it to show up. It definitely doesn't work with a brush. It works better with the finger, same like the highlighter. But this one, I like how it does show up right away, but I don't know, like for me, the color I didn't like. So I do like though how these two look together. So is there a blush that is this color mixed in together already? If so, I would definitely get that. Okay, so we have finished with all of my thoughts. Now it is your turn. Let's talk. Have you tried any of the products that I used today? What are your favorites and what is not your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you are looking for more videos to watch on my channel, check out this video right here. This is me trying out the new KVD Beauty Good Apple Serum Foundation. I will see you there, and don't forget, have a beautiful and a wonderful day.